Welcome to our Health Check Survey tutorial. Our Health Check Survey is a simple and visible way for you to ensure a healthy environment for your staff and your patrons. More importantly, it can give your patrons peace of mind when attending events in person. You can display your survey on your app's home screen and as a tab in your menu. The example on the left for Atlanta Opera shows that they have their health screening as a card, and they also have a health check tab at the bottom in their tab menu. For Tessitura partners, you're able to link your survey to your patrons' tickets, as you can see in the example on the right. So how does it work? A patron will tap on the survey to open it. After taking the survey, they will receive a pass or a fail notification. This will depend on how you configure your survey. The patron can show their pass message to gain access to your event, or if the patron fails, you decide what procedure you want. You can allow them to retake the survey, or you can refuse admittance. To implement the Health Check Survey, you will need a Survey Hero account. The Health Check Survey feature integrates with Survey Hero, so you will need a business level account, either individual or team. Survey Hero gives 50% off for nonprofits. Once your account is set up, then you will need to connect it to your app. In your control panel, go to Surveys, and then Survey Hero Integration. Here you will see a username and password. You will need to create a new username and password in Survey Hero. To do that, log into your Survey Hero account and click on My Account tab. Click on Developer API, and then create a new API key name. I'm just going to call it Test App. And click on Create a New Key. This will then, it's going to be here at the bottom, this will then give you a username and password. Copy and paste these into the control panel. And then click on Update. Next, create a survey in Survey Hero. We have instructions in another article on how to do that. After you created your survey, which I have here, my test survey, you're going to click on the share icon. And then click on Survey Link. And you can rename this to be whatever you'd like. Test survey. Click Next. And it's going to create a link for you. Copy this link because you will need that for the app in the control panel. Now you can set up your survey settings. Click on the Add Survey button. Select your survey from the drop-down, and then paste in the survey you just copied from Survey Hero. For time zone, it should default to your time zone. If it is incorrect, you can change it. The dates are tied to the Health Check Survey. You can choose from a production that you have loaded into your app, or you can manually enter in dates if you wish. I'm just going to choose a production and click on Add. Check on the Allow Retake box if you wish patrons that failed to be able to retake the survey. This isn't required, you do not have to do that. Success message, go ahead and type in whatever message you'd like. I'm going to do mine really short. Try to keep yours short as well. And then click on Update. Right now, if we page up to our checklist, here are more items that we need to complete. So we're going to click on Display. And include a tab in your app. This is not required. If you don't want to do this, you do not have to have a tab. But if you wish, go ahead and click on the Include tab in App. You can change the icon, and you can also name it whatever you'd like. And then click on Update. Now we want to go back to our checklist and click on Rules. The rules determine pass or fail for those taking the survey through the app. These rules will also prevent any incomplete results. So we're going to click on Add Rule and choose our first question from the Survey Hero. And this one is, for my test survey, is have you tested positive within the last 14 days? I'm going to choose yes, and my result is going to be failure. I'm going to click on Add. And then I'm going to continue doing that for all of my pass or fail questions. And all of them I'm going to choose as failures. Then for my last question, I'm going to create two rules, one for the failure result and one for the success. And this is to prevent any incomplete survey results if the user doesn't click on the finish or the done button. So have you experienced any of the following combinations? And with this question in Survey Hero, it gives a list. So I'm going to say with this one, yes. And my result is failure. And click on Add. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the same question, but then make it a success one. And choose no. And success. Add. Next, we will need to go back to our checklist. And then click on our Survey Hero settings. And we'll need to copy this URL link. We will need that in Survey Hero. So now we're going to customize Survey Hero. We'll customize the redirect URL and the manage multiple event settings. So I'm going to open my test survey and click on collect responses and then click on the survey to open it. So in these settings here, I'm going to click on manage multiple participation. And I'm going to select multiple times per computer, restart, and refresh. Then I'm going to page down and go to redirect your participants after completion. And that link that we just copied, or excuse me, that URL that we just copied in the control panel, this is where we're going to paste that in. So we're going to choose redirect immediately and paste in that link. And then I'm going to click on save. So if you would like to remove Survey Hero branding from your survey, you can do that. And for that, we're going to go to, page down here towards the bottom, remove the Powered By footer link, and then just check the box and click on Save. If you have any questions or if you need assistance, please contact me.